Brian Bowersock, the Automan here. Today we're talking about your vehicle's suspension system and how important it is. So all vehicles have shocks and struts on them. Some form of system that compresses and keeps the tire. And to be honest with you, not only is a shock or a strut supposed to make the ride nice for you and all your passengers, its also job is to keep tires on the ground. As you can see, this tire is severely worn in different spots. And what happens with this, we end up with cupping and other kinds of tire wear because the shocks or struts are worn and not keeping the tires on the ground all the time. So not only does it wear suspension components and wear out tires when your shocks and struts are worn out, but it actually makes it so that the ride is not that great also. And also, worn out shocks and struts, they get bad enough, can affect stopping distance, can affect handling performance on the vehicle, and several other things. Most shocks and struts last anywhere from 60 to 100,000 miles. It's good to have them looked at by a professional. We inspect these components regularly on a vehicle and make recommendations for folks at the West Automotive Group. So make sure you're having your suspension checked regularly. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
For the latest automotive news and helpful tips, watch for The Automan Fridays on the CW San Diego, sponsored by the West Automotive Group.